Hello. I am recording this video for one of the blog visitors, but maybe it will be interesting for someone from my YouTube channel subscribers. So, here it is, this rig, referred to in the title. I once collected it just to test the idea of design. But nevertheless I have been using it for several years with my various amateur cameras. At the base of this rig is a channel iron. This is a channel iron from the electrical panel. The workers left several such channels on the staircase when they changed the configuration of the electrical network in our house. I picked them up and now use them for various devices. The quick-release platform fastens to a channel iron. She is also handmade. In the description of the video will be a link to an article dedicated to this component. The right handle is made of duralumin tube and fastened with a double-end bolt to 6 mm. Inside the tube are two washers that center the double-end bolt to the tube. The top handle is attached to the right handle using two hard duralumin plates. If you loosen several bolts, you can adjust the position of the handle relative to the center of gravity of the entire system. If the camera screen about on the left hand, then you need to move the quick-release platform. I made these pens from file handles. First I pasted the threaded bushings into them, and then I screwed them onto the studs and clamped in the electric drill. Then I processed the surfaces with a file and sandpaper to give a more comfortable shape for better fixing of the handles in the hand. This is probably the whole design. Rig allows you to arbitrarily choose the shooting point and camera angle, as well as more or less tolerably set the motion vector of the camera. When you hold the camera in your right hand, it's not so convenient. For example, you can do this movement. I note that this rig cannot replace the pendulum or inertial Steadicam, and even more so the 3-axis electromechanical stabilizer. If you need a professional video, one rig will not be enough. But the one who likes to do something with his hands or is limited in means can't quite make such a rig. Thank you for your attention and success to you.